The next topic is conditional sentences type 1. Use. It is possible to fulfill a condition which is given in the if clause. Form. If clause, simple present. Main clause, will, future. Infinitive, modal plus infinitive. Examples. First, it's read clause, then it's main clause. If I study, I will pass the exams. If you see John tonight, tell him email me. If Ben gets up early, he can catch the bus. The if clause can be at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. If clause. If I study, main clause. I will pass the exams, main clause. I will pass the exams, if clause. If I study. It was the topic the use of conditional sentences type 1, English grammar.